Teacher Chris Cha, but only call my name as Teacher Chris. I am now living at Philippines, Iloilo, Antique Provincia. As my decision to be teaching business art communication of English mixed with Tagalog, translation to those passionately to booking the linguistic. I am locally living as multiracial Filipino, where got the linguistic knowledges within Taglish, and well-known password of TEFL as known within teaching English as foreign linguistic, and also got certified translation and transportation. Mostly got the knowledges within MakeCut website / Google Cloud Translation API software / WordFast CAD software / Adobe Express software / Vid website for the translator and subtitler. Then got the knowledge skill set at Microsoft software presentations / Vimeo / Canva / YouTube / Instacut for the subtitler and video theme, clipboard, editings or editions. Everything about effective communication, lesson topics, where the communication coverages within verbal and nonverbal expressions, active listening, speaking and writing, internal and external messaging, and more. Almostly my endearment, effective communication teaching methods, preferably included first role-playing, then group discussions, then using authentic materials to engage students in meaningful communications, then virtual communication teaching methods for the main leverage technology to facilitate interactions and instructions in online environment. Good idea, right? As I mightly encouragement activities that almostly including role-playing scenarios, group discussions, and media literacy exercises, while materials might include real-life examples, videos, and interactive tools. And then that's all. I did specialize and became mastered within Business Intermediate English at EF website platform, where got coverage within reading with 28 final score, then listening with 52 final score, writing with 50 final score, and speaking with 48 final score. Audiences, I allowed you all to try now and booking reservation, as I am got the acknowledgements within the effective business communications background, enrichments within international English, native Tagalog, and multiracial Taglish. So, beat the opportunity chances. Then see you.